Today is a nice day. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yo, what up, Yo, what up today, guys? This is Swinnytime back again. Dog's taking a shit. Back again. Now I'm gonna go for a walk with Bo to my granddad's, and then I'm gonna do some heavy bag. Possibly just get some cardio in. And probably work on my combinations and shit. I'm trying to work on my flexibility at the moment because yeah, trying to work on my flexibility at the moment. Trying to stop pulling. Fuck's sake. Yeah, try to work on my flexibility, work on my kicks, and hopefully I can film some training. I don't know, but I don't know. It's too sunny today. Like, I'm not in the right mood to be doing anything, but that's not the right mindset. You know, you need a good mindset. You need to do something. This dog keeps pulling. Stop pulling. Oi, come here. Yeah. So yeah, like, if you don't do anything all day, just pick up a sport or something you like doing and just do it. You know, you'll be surprised how fulfilling it feels when you get a workout done. So just try that out, guys. Just try whatever. Alright. It's like, I don't know what's going on with me at the moment, but like, do you remember up to like episode 0 to episode 10? You know, I spoke so good and I did so much sweet talk and shit. But at the moment, I just feel like my brain's mush. You know, I just can't think. I don't know what to say. I think it's this season, to be honest with you. Like, whenever it's sunny, I feel groggy as fuck. So I end up not saying anything, but hopefully I can do some more Swinny talk, like I promised in episode 20, I think. Do some more Swinny talk. Just get some problems off my shoulder, you know. That's pretty much why I like doing these videos. So I know I say that, but I haven't done a lot. But I like doing them because Swinnytime's sort of like, it's like an archive. You look back and you see a lot of stuff. But when I talk about Swinny talk, it sort of helps me to like get shit off my chest, you know. Just plan shit out. That's about it. Like, let's say I'm confused, I look back on the videos, I see what I've done, I'll be like, that was my main goal back then, so that should be my main goal now. So yeah, get my cardio good. My cardio is improving at the moment. I'm going for runs. Every Saturday. I go 5 days a week. I do like a short little 15-minute like sprint run type thing. And Saturday and Sundays, I do like a mile jog, and I burn so many calories by doing that. But yeah, hopefully this week I can actually focus down on that and try and burn as much calories as I can, because at the moment I'm just eating too much. That's probably the reason why I'm not burning enough calories. But yeah, what's he doing? Oh, cute dog. It's like this like, see, I tell you guys, like, I can't think of what to say. It's too hot, man. Fuck me, my brain's killing me. But like, in this time of the weather, like, you see these bushes like these? They grow like these little blueberries. Not blueberries, like these little I think they're raspberries. I pick them off and I just eat them. It's like I'm hungry as fuck. I'd be like, oh, I'm so hungry at the moment. And I see one, I'm like, oh, I might pick one off and eat one, you know? Might collect them and put them in a pie I'm going to make someday. But yeah, for some reason they haven't grown yet. They normally grow around this time. Probably later on in summer, probably gonna grow. I don't fucking know. Oh, fuck me. He's pulling me. Fuck me. Oh, stop pulling. He's such a bad dog. Alright, see you guys when I get there. Holy shit. It's so hot today. Fuck me. Sweating. I wish it was winter. That's when I proper flourish with the heavy bag training. Uncle's bit. So, the abandoned garage. See what's inside. It's like I got hit by a tornado or something. Old machines. Let's press that. Oh shit. Power. Uh-oh, I'm joking. Let's take a look around. Old motorbike. Don't know what the hell this is. Small machines over here. I think they're all, I think they're Morse machines. Oh shit. It's like The Last of Us. Oh, that's not like. There's the old motorbike. Oh shit, he's got the spider web on. Okay. Sit on it. Boy back. How old it is. Imagine how much that would cost. What? It's a pooch. Fuck. Hello. Hello.
Are you tired?
Yeah. You eating?
Get a drink.
Yeah. I have to film.
What are you doing? It's squeezy.
No, I'm filming. Filming, Bob. It's part of my YouTube thing.
Where are you taking this dog back to?
I'll take it back now. Go on.
Oh, I'm taking it home.
Yeah, I'll take it back.
Oh, not to John's.
Nah, I think Mum's gone back.
I'm going to have it tea.
Yeah. I'll take Bo back in a minute. Old run.
Bloody warm, Joe, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it didn't work. My knees are gone now. My knees have gone now. Oh, dear. What do you want?
Have a great.
I want to.
Okay.
I want to.